Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Olympic rings. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the center ring. We'll start with a circle. And then let's add another circle inside. Now let's leave a small gap and let's do the same thing on the left side. And then hop over and let's do the same thing on the right. And that's it for the first row of rings. Now let's move slightly down and draw the second row. Overlapping the first two on the left, let's draw another circle. And then another one inside. Then hop over and let's do the same thing on the right. Now that we have the rings, we can start erasing the overlapping pieces. Okay, let's start on the left where the first two rings overlap. For both of these, let's erase both of the horizontal lines. Now let's move over, and where the next two rings overlap, this time let's erase both of the vertical lines. Now for the next set, let's do the horizontal lines again. And then for the last two rings, the vertical lines. And that's it for the Olympic rings. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!